Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very soft, glittery, soft glam makeup look featuring a smoky liner. So if you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm starting out with some skincare by cleansing my face with the micellar water. I'm using its oil variant. If you have an oily skin, feel free to use an oil-free variant. Post that, I'm spraying some water to my face followed by a moisturizer. This one's lather moisturizer in the variant lavender lime. Next, I'm prepping my lips with the Nika Lip Crush Lip Balm in the shade Strawberry. Now post all these steps, I'll be waiting for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'm spraying my face with some setting spray. This one's Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. And to prime my face, I'm using the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer all over my face. And to fill in my pores, I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer in the areas where I have enlarged pores like my forehead and under eye area. To cancel out the blue undertones of the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector by Miss Claire. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 228. This is an exact match to my skin tone. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty Blender. Because the summers are here and my skin doesn't feel supremely dry, I've decided to go with a matte foundation. However, if your skin still feels dry, you can go for its dewy variant. To brighten the areas like my forehead, chin and under eye area and nosy, I like to use a matte foundation in summers. This one's matte poreless foundation in the shade 125 by Maybelline. This one is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I avoid using a concealer in the summers as it feels very heavy on my skin, especially during the summers, and I like my base makeup to be a little more breathable. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To bring some dimension and depth to my face, I'm contouring my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and the sides of my nose with this contouring shade from the Savannah Ultra Blush palette with my angled brush. To bring some color to my cheeks, I'm dipping into this coral shade from the Savannah Ultra Blush palette with my powder brush. For highlighter, I'm dipping into this shimmery champagne shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette. And And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one is Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set my concealer, I'm using a loose powder. This one's New Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. I'm starting out by deepening my crease area using this soft burgundy shade from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I'm drawing out a wing with this deep burgundy shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my angled brush. I'm topping up that burgundy liner with a black liner using this charcoal shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm smudging it using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For the lid, I'm dipping into a liquid glitter. This one's by Swiss Beauty in the shade Smokey Storm with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. I'm keeping it pretty sparse because I'm going for a soft glam look, but if you want, you can amp it up if you like a more bolder look. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery champagne shade from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with my flat short shader brush. For my lower lash line, I'm first smoking out this deep burgundy shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my pack brush in the style 126. And then I'm packing up this charcoal shade from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics right under my waterline with a pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For my lips, I am first tinting my lips with this rosy gloss from the Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette, and then I'm topping it up with this berry shade gloss from Maybelline in the shade Winter Flush. And for falsies, I'm going for the Swiss Beauty eyelashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a blue one shoulder top and some statement earrings. Of course, you can pair it up with anything you like. It is so versatile that if you want, you can tone it down with a more simpler attire or amp it up with some bolder accessories. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.